Welcome. I'm Terriell of Terriell Samuels Pilates, and this is Pilates Need-To-Know, my series on the basics of Pilates, covering everything you need to know before starting an at-home Pilates program. Today's topic is the Pilates Principles Explained. Let's dive in. First things first, what are the Pilates Principles? The 6 principles are concepts widely used by Pilates professionals to approach the exercises in the Pilates system. It's important to note that Joseph Pilates did not coin these specific terms. They were distilled from his original work by teachers that came after him. There may be some differences across the board depending on who your particular teacher is. Nevertheless, you'll likely find that these principles or principles similar to them are likely part of any Pilates teacher's arsenal that you come across. Now let's get to the actual principles. First, concentration. Joe Pilates said, "Concentrate on the correct movement each time you exercise, lest you do them improperly and lose all vital benefits." Only to say that there are no mindless movements in Pilates ever. During your workouts, you are to concentrate on every movement, paying attention to the details, correcting your form, which muscles are you working, and how can you further finesse that particular movement. The second principle, control. Pilates originally called his exercise method contrology, or the art of control. Every Pilates exercise is done with complete control over every muscle and every body part, leaving nothing unaccounted for, no wild limbs flailing behind. Like anything, it takes a lot of practice to have complete control of your body with your mind. Control, if practiced diligently, will lower your risk of injury and train your body to perform its best all the time. Centering. Many describe the Pilates system as exercises that move from a strong center. The act of centering occurs when the center of the body, defined as the musculature of the midsection in the front to the back, all the way down to the butt, is strong and stable while performing exercises. Every part of the body connects to the center. Doing a leg exercise? Ask yourself, how is your center engaged and stabilized? Doing an arm exercise? Same idea. You'll find that many of the Pilates exercises have an emphasis on strengthening the center for this exact reason. Precision. Linked to concentration, the principle of precision is a tool that you can use to make your workouts more challenging and effective. By focusing your efforts on performing each exercise perfectly, you will see and feel a difference in your body as a result. Breath. Pilates said that breathing is the first act of life and the last, and to above all, learn to breathe correctly. Why? Well, correct breathing oxygenates your blood and brings the oxygen to your hardworking muscles while you exercise. Many Pilates teachers use prescribed breath in some of the exercises, but they also use breath to facilitate movement in the body and to sometimes add more detail to the work to make it more challenging. Although some Pilates exercises have a prescribed breath, as a general rule, you'll want to inhale to prepare for a movement and exhale on the effort. While doing Pilates, you must be careful to never stop breathing, which a lot of people do during some of the most difficult of exercises. And always make sure to breathe in fully and deeply and exhale fully. Flow. Flow is the principle that really sets Pilates apart from any other type of exercise. The most advanced Pilates practitioner will begin moving at the beginning of their workout with their first exercise and not stop moving until the end of their very last exercise. The classical Pilates exercises on the mat and reformer are threaded together with prescribed and choreographed transitions in order to keep flow. As you become more advanced in the Pilates work, these transitions will become part of your workout. Practicing with flow will contribute to your coordination, stamina, balance, memory, concentration, and even lower your stress, because when you're working with flow, you have to concentrate really hard, so you have no time to really think about anything but what you're doing during your Pilates workout. Working with flow in your Pilates workouts will also make them really sweaty and satisfying. So that was a lot of information. How is it possible to keep in mind all of the Pilates principles and the detail that comes with them while practicing Pilates? If practicing on your own, you can start with one principle at a time and work with that principle until it becomes habitual. After that, you can begin to layer on more principles over time. Also, having a teacher by your side, either by taking a lesson or by taking an online class with me, can help improve your memory, improve your technique, and keep you constantly challenged and on your toes. And of course, as an added bonus, because Pilates always keeps getting better as you practice it and get better at it, as you successfully begin to integrate these principles into your Pilates workouts, you'll find that they are useful in other forms of movement as well, and also in your daily life. And that is the magic of the Pilates principles. And that's my need to know on the Pilates principles. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them for you. Thank you for watching my Pilates Need-to-Know series. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like notifications when I post new videos and Pilates workouts, click the link in the description to sign up for my newsletter. This is Terriell from Terriell Samuels Pilates signing off. Bye for now.